In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix limited PayPal account. If your PayPal account has been limited, don't worry. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back to normal as quickly as possible. First, sign into your PayPal account and head to your dashboard. It's best to do this on a trusted device and a secure connection. Always access PayPal by typing the official site into your browser or using the official app, rather than clicking links from emails or messages. Once you're on the dashboard, look for a red banner at the top that says Submit Info to access your funds. That banner is your direct route to the Resolution Center for this limitation. Click it to begin. On the next page, you'll see specific items PayPal needs from you. Start by finding Upload a Photo ID, then click Resolve. You'll be asked to provide a clear, government-issued identification document, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Make sure the details on your ID match the information on your PayPal account. Take a well-lit, color photo or scan with all four corners visible, no glare, and readable text. Avoid filters or edits that might blur the image. PayPal typically accepts common file formats like JPG, PNG, or PDF. If you see a file size limit, compress carefully without reducing legibility. Before you submit, double-check the name and birth date are clearly visible, then upload and confirm. Next, return to the list and click Resolve next to Explain how your business works. In this section, provide a concise, honest overview. Describe what you sell or the services you provide, whether they're physical or digital, how you source or create them, and how you deliver to customers. Include your average processing and shipping times, the carriers or platforms you use, typical order values, and your refund or return policy. If you sell on a marketplace or your own website, reference that so PayPal can understand your sales flow. Keep your explanation consistent with your recent transactions to avoid confusion. Once you've submitted your photo ID and your business explanation, review everything for accuracy and then submit. After that, PayPal will review your information. Timeframes can vary. Sometimes it's quick, other times it may take a couple of days. So keep an eye on your email and your dashboard for status updates. During this period, avoid making major changes or sending large transactions until the limitation is lifted. If PayPal needs anything else, you'll see it in the Resolution Center. That's it. Complete the requested items carefully, and once they're verified, your account access should be restored. Stay safe, use only